It's cold and flu season where I'm currently at in Austin, Texas, and it might be cold and flu season where you're at. So a lot of people are getting sick. So I just felt compelled to do this video because nobody wants to get sick, and if they do get sick, it's like, what can you do to get better faster? I've always found in my personal experience that prevention is key. So you got to do whatever you can to kind of upregulate your immune system. And that takes some preparation, takes some planning, because chances that I get sick here shortly are pretty high because both of my kids are sick. So here's some things I'm personally doing. And I just went ahead and listed products because you guys always ask me the product anyways. So I just went ahead and listed my favorite products that I'm taking. It's from a company called NuMedica. They're a professional medical grade brand. You don't have to take these brands. You can take anything here, but I just like the combination of these ingredients because they work fast. They're not going to prevent you getting sick, but they could shorten the duration of you being sick, which is important because nobody wants to be sick for 5 days. Maybe you can shorten the duration to 2.5 days or 1 day. So with that being said, here are the products. Number one is Seasonal Shield. This is typically marketed as a allergy product, and it works great for allergies, but a lot of people don't know that it's got a lot of different ingredients for immune health. For example, vitamin C, this is a staple. They have 200 milligrams of vitamin C in here. Vitamin C is water soluble, so it's safe to take in effective higher doses. Vitamin D3, they have a little bit in here, but it's really just as like an insurance base, not enough. The zinc in here I really like. This is a big dose of zinc, especially for an allergy product. 25 to 50 milligrams is typically what I use to shorten the duration. Zinc's actually been shown to shorten the duration, and if you get sick, taking zinc as soon as you get sick can actually shorten the duration almost in half, according to some studies. Quercetin, this is a mast cell stabilizer. It's also a flavonoid. It's great for mitigating inflammation, great for allergies, great to have in this kind of combination. Boswellia, this is a potent anti-inflammatory. It'll actually drive down inflammatory processes, especially one called IL-6, interleukin-6 to be short. Nettle, this is for allergies, but also got some general anti-inflammatory compounds. NAC, N-acetylcysteine. This is a tried and true remedy or natural remedy. It's a precursor to glutathione. Great natural anti-inflammatory. Also can clear up nasal passages by being a natural mucolytic. Citrus flavonoids, this kind of adds to that vitamin C, kind of gives that whole root vitamin C complex. Bromelain, this is a proteolytic enzyme. They actually did a pretty cool study with bromelain and boswellia. They found the combination actually was 32% more effective than taking a like Zyrtec or Claritin. Pretty interesting. Then grape extract is another anti-inflammatory. NuMedica. So Seasonal Shield is what I take. I'm actually taking 4 capsules a day just for general immune health. It's got the allergy support, but it's also got some of these natural immune support as well. Now NuMedica is something that I take more acutely, more of a break glass type emergency type of situation, more PRN as needed. But NuMedica was designed to quickly kind of upregulate the immune response. It's got your typical kind of ingredients you'll see for like general immune health, vitamin C, vitamin D3. It has a little bit of B12 and zinc. So with the 5 milligrams here, it's not going to be too much. But the ingredients here that really shine, that really kind of make this product effective, are these astragalus, andrographis, elderberry, and 2 different parts of echinacea. These are what we're going to call your immune boosters. They're going to optimize immune function. They're going to effectively increase white blood cell activity. We're talking neutrophils, macrophages, which will go and fight the infection faster. They will actually kind of prime the cells, go through a process called chemotaxis, so they can move quickly through your immune system. So if that's what you want when you're sick, you want something to go attack. That's why even kids will take elderberry. This formula wouldn't exactly be for a smaller child, but there are some ingredients like zinc and elderberry, which are very effective, especially for kids. If you have younger kids, those are very effective. Of course, ask your doctor. The other ingredients in NuMedica that are very unique and what I really love about this product is there's 4 different ingredients. We already went over quercetin, but there's an ingredient that no one ever talks about called ficystin, tomato. And what this compound is, it's a senolytic. So it actually helps our immune system clear out dead cellular debris. Some people call those zombie cells. They're really cellular, senescent cells. Basically, these cells are sitting in a state of hibernation, or they're sitting there and they're like zombies because they're taking up so much space. So these senolytic compounds go through there, they clear them out so that these white blood cell optimizers can actually do what they're supposed to do. So basically, it kind of refreshes the immune system, It's not really called boosting the immune system, just makes your immune system more effective, okay? Now, liposomal vitamin C. So these ingredients both have vitamin C, but they're still in a low amount. So when you're sick, you want to get a lot of vitamin C because your body's going to be going through a lot of it. So liposomal vitamin C, I spelled that wrong, put a little AL right there. But what a liposomal molecule or complex does is it makes a water-soluble nutrient last longer. Typically when you take vitamin C, oral, water-soluble, it'll last 30 minutes to an hour, and then your body will usually excrete the rest. So that's why people have to say you have to continually take it. Liposomal technology allows some of these nutrients to stay in your body longer, like 4 to 6 hours. So you can maybe take 1,000 milligrams in the morning, at lunch, even at dinner. You're gonna have a pretty long half-life. Vitamin C is important for a lot of things, wound healing, but it's really known for its immune support properties. Now, vitamin D3, we know how important vitamin D is. I've actually increased my dose during the winter. I've started this back in December. I typically take 5,000 IUs of vitamin D plus K2, but in the winter, I'm actually increasing it to 10,000. Now, why is that? Because I'm not getting a lot of sunlight naturally, not outside as much. And I still get outside a lot. I live in Texas, but a lot of people that live up north, they don't get outside. So that's usually when you need to increase your vitamin D. Of course, always check your lab levels. I know mine, so I kind of know where I can be in an optimal range. I like 50 to 70 personally, but always check your lab levels first, then figure that out. But anyways, these are a couple of things that I'm doing. And of course, I'm also sleeping, trying to sleep more, decreasing stress, good hygiene practices, washing my hands, changing my bed sheets, all those different things. But getting sick, you can't guarantee not getting sick, but you can, help your immune system have a good fighting chance so you don't get sick as long, or it's not as bad, because I don't have time to get sick. No one really does, but I don't want to have to lay down for 3 days and not do anything. So I really want to give my body a fighting chance this winter season. Hope you found these helpful. You can find these ingredients at any integrative functional medicine doctor near you, or even a compounding pharmacy. If you can't find those, you can send me a message and I can help direct you to some different places. But hope you found this helpful. Again, these are some products that I'm personally taking. You don't have to take these. You can find a combination that has some similarities here. And also for zinc, I didn't mention this. When you're taking zinc, especially if you're getting over that 50 milligram threshold or more in supplements, you should probably consider copper. So every 50 milligrams, some practitioners say you should take 2 milligrams of copper, just because there is a kind of some depleting factors there. So copper. So anyways, if you're taking zinc long term, definitely consider copper. And again, I'm not taking these forever. I'm taking these kind of as needed. After winter, after about February, I will go back down to my 5,000 IU dose. Anyways, that was a lot of talking. Hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.